Hey there, thank you for watching my channel. Well, March is over and April is just starting, so I thought it would be nice to make another bullet journal for April. And I didn't add any other things to my March bullet journal, so I always do the monthly, weekly and daily chores, and I'm using post-its so I can put it, well, here's the side where I want to do the daily chores or the weekly and monthly chores. When I done it, I just put my post-its on the other side so I know when I done it. And also with the weekly and the monthly chores, I also write down if I don't forget when I did it. And the weekly menu, I really like to put down what I want to eat every week, so I can see that we don't eat the same every week. Well, we always we always eat pizza on a Friday and eat a soup on a Sunday. Those are the things we always eat on those days, and for the rest I just want to write down the things I want to eat, and then I know which groceries I have to buy, so I don't have to go to the store every day to buy my stuff. So it's not always easy. So you can see here I didn't fill in because I didn't know what I wanted to eat, and sometimes we just, well, decided on the day itself what we ate. So those were our weekly menus, and I did my goals for March, and I only well, just made one goal and had some brain dumps. And what I did, I wanted to sew in March, so inside, and I wrote down what I've sewn, and directly in the greenhouse and directly in the garden, so I can see what I put in the ground, and it's nice to see what comes up already. So my radishes are coming up, and my carrots and my beets and my spring onions are, well, really small, but they're coming up. And inside the rocket salad, the cucumbers, tomatoes are coming up. They are like this big, and the basil, and some flowers are coming up a little bit, but some are very large already, so that's really nice to see. And I wrote down some other things what I wanted to remember. So let's get started on my April bullet journal. Okay, so well, this is it for April, and you can see I did off camera some colors, and I don't think I really like these two, but well, sometimes you just have to do stuff and then in the end you like it or you don't. So I don't think I really like this one, but that's okay. So it's just for my own use and not some professional thing to sell. So I'm going to show you how it's looking like now. So for April I really like this page, and sometimes I just did some things in advance and I didn't really like it, but this one I do like. So you can see the post-its I put on my monthly chores, and you can see it's overlapping the colored squares. So these are the weekly and the daily chores, and you can see I already did this today. So airing the rooms, and well, these I don't have to do this. Well, I know what to do daily, but sometimes it's convenient for me to know when I did stuff. So like cleaning the beds or cleaning the shower, all those things, and the monthly things too. So I can write down when I did it, so I can remember when I did last do the chores. And then for this page I need to color the squares, but I didn't feel like it anymore because it's, well, it takes time, a lot of time to fill in all these squares how I want it. But I did do the colors on the days, and you can see that's this is the 31st of March, so I put it on the April page because I don't want to make one whole page for March just for one day. So that's why I taking it along for the first square in the April weekly menu. And this is what I did up front, so I have to do it on here. And well, this is just the things I just wanted to put in my April journal. Maybe I do something which I'm sewing in the garden or in the greenhouse, but I don't know if I feel like it to do it. So I didn't feel like to do it right now, but maybe later on this month. But this is just it for this month, and maybe you don't like it at all. That's also possible, but I really wanted to put my journal on YouTube, so I'm having a whole bullet journal for the whole month. So well, I just wish you a very happy day and a very happy week, and well, to see you next time. Bye bye.